In this video, we are going through simple inheritance. Inheritance in Java is a mechanism in which one object acquires all the properties and behaviors of a parent object. It is an important part of OOPS. We group the inheritance concept into two categories. Subclass, known as child class, the class that inherits from another class. Superclass, known as parent class, the class being inherited from. To inherit from a class, use the extends keyword. In this example, employee is parent class, programmer is child class, extend to inherit. In this example, animal is parent class, dog is child class, extends keyword is used to inherit.